Why English? Why English partner?
Hi, this is Naveen.
Hi, this is Velu.
Hi, this is Nandini here.
Hi, Englishpartner course. I'm Ganesh Kumar.
I joined as an intermediate student.
I have enrolled for intermediate level.
I recently completed my advanced level English course in Englishpartner.
For the way they are teaching the English language, which makes English looks much easier.
This is one of the best platforms to enhance the English communication.
I have faced a lot of struggles in the initial stage. I had many confusion about grammar and how to speak, something like that.
Before joining to the Englishpartner, I have sort of anxieties and hesitation.
After a month, I could able to see my improvement. Now I am more proficient in English than before.
But now I'm completely rehabilitated.
I got job with 4 lakh package in my company.
Communication level is better than before.
I should say thanks for all my trainers.
And thanks to my trainers, they gave me some tip and trick.
My tutor name is Mridula.
I especially mentioned to Miss Faiza. She always encouraging me. She helped me a lot. Thank you so much.
She's one of the fantastic human being and she was so friendly.
And particularly, and thanks to Shaz Bro
She helps me to enhance my communication.
and Faisa man, Rudra man, and Madhumita man.
I have a great experience with the Englishpartner
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
and thank you so much. It means a lot.